Hi veggie foodies! Today in my kitchen I'll be making lemon pickle. For this we'll take 3 organic lemons, nicely washed, 6 green chilies. These chilies are not too spicy, so I took 6 of them. Half tablespoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, half tablespoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of jeera seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of hing, and 1/4 cup of brown sugar, or you can add jaggery, and 1 red chili. This is a very tasty, delicious recipe, so let's get started. First we cut the lemons into 8 pieces. Then you cut the green chilies into halves. Put all of this into a bowl, add the salt, add the turmeric, add 1/4 cup of water. I put the pressure cooker on medium heat. I added 2.5 cups of water. Now I put this bowl in the pressure cooker and cook the lemon. After 5 minutes, I put the weight. Now after 2 whistles, I turn off the stove and let the cooker cool down. After it is cooled down, you see how it is, the lemons are nicely cooked. All the salt, turmeric, the chilies, everything got mixed properly. Now what we'll do is the seasoning. In a pan, put 1 tablespoon of oil. After the oil is warmed up, add the mustard seeds and the jeera seeds. Now do the seasoning on medium flame so that they are nicely done. Now you can add the hing. You can add the red chili. After this is done, add the lemon that we boiled and kept and give it a stir. Now add the chili powder. First you may add little chili powder and then add the brown sugar. Then depending on the taste, you may add chili powder if you want it little more spicy. This lemon pickle is high in nutrition. It is rich in vitamin C, and lemons are available all through the year, and it is a very great pickle or as a side for any of the dishes. To store this lemon pickle, you have to put it in a glass container and store it in the fridge. It would be nice for up to 3 to 4 days. Hey, make sure you see my blog for the complete recipe of this. Subscribe to my channel for such exciting, tasteful, easy, delicious recipes. Thank you, veggie foodies.